To my vlog, guys. Look, this is my friend. Okay, she is changing her clothes. I will make a house later. Let's go. She said, wait. Somebody driving in my car. And I am stopping. My friend said, I'm go now.
Uy, baboy.
Okay, let's speed it. Okay, I will build some house, guys. Okay, but wait, I am going back on my friend, guys. But I cannot drive is because it's too speeding. What? Okay, I will park on this side.
Try mo nga ako isakay.
Okay, I will drive.
Ay! Uy!
Oh!
Sige na.
Wow! We okay, guys. Only sleeping. Oh.
Hintayin mo ako, mag-release lang ako.
2023 pa to eh.